In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restrict or disable tags on your Threads account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you want to restrict who can tag you or you want to completely disable this feature, it's pretty simple. Go to your Threads account and then tap on your profile icon once you are logged in. Now on the top right corner, you should see these two lines. Tap on them and then under settings, look for privacy option. Under privacy, look for this option called tags and mentions. If you tap on it, we have two sections here for mentions. You can choose who can mention you, and we have the other option that is allow tags from. Choose who can tag you in their photos. When people try to tag you, they will see if you don't allow tags from anyone, and potential spam will always be filtered. So currently it is set to everyone. This is the default setting. However, you can only restrict this to profiles you follow, or you can disable it if you choose none. So if you have chosen none, it means no one will be able to tag you in their photos. So that's how you can restrict tags on Threads account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.